In this video, we will discuss equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios are ratios that can be simplified or reduced back to the simplest form of the ratio. For this example, we will use the ratio 2 to 3. We can start by multiplying both the 2 and the 3 by 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4, and 3 times 2 gives us 6. So we know the ratio 4 to 6 is equivalent to 2 to 3. We can continue by multiplying 2 by 3 and the 3 by 3. 2 times 3 gives us 6, and 3 times 6 gives us 9. Following this pattern, we can see that we can multiply the next one by 4, which would give us 2 times 4, which is 8. 3 times 4, which is 12. And to fill in the last box on this ratio table, we'll take 2 times 5, which will give us 10, and 3 times 5 gives us 15. So we know that all of these ratios are equivalent because they can always be reduced back to 2/3. Now let's take a look at another example. In this example, the ratio that is given, 16 to 32, is on the far right side of this ratio table. So now we are going to show some relationships between this ratio. Let's start by multiplying by 1/2, which is the same as dividing by 2. 16 divided by 2, or times 1/2, is 8. And what we do at the top, we will do down here. Times by 1/2. Which will give us 16. 16 times 1/2 gives us the 32. So now we can see that we can continue this pattern from the ratio that we just created. 8 times 1/2 gives us 4, and 16 times 1/2 gives us 8. Moving along the table, we can continue this pattern. 4 times 1/2 gives us 2, and 8 times 1/2 gives us 4. So far we have 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. All of these are equivalent to 16 to 32. And to fill out the last spot on the table, we can do the same thing. 2 times 1/2, which is the same as dividing by 2, gives us 1, and 4 multiplied to 1/2 gives us 2. So 1/2 is equivalent to 16 over 32, as in all these other ratios. Some students might see that 16 going all the way to 1, you can divide both of these by 16. This is fine as well. It both works because we know that this will be equivalent to 1/2, as you can see right here.